Alright, thank you.
Thank you to Jjwan for truly doing everything possible to help Mexico finally become part of BTS's major 2026 concert list. The support and effort happening right now have reached an unbelievable level, even involving high-ranking government officials. Many people are amazed to see how the enthusiasm in Mexico is no longer just about buying concert tickets, but about showing the entire world just how massive their love for ARMY truly is. What caught even more attention was how Jin is considered one of the most important figures in strengthening this connection. Jin has continued receiving overwhelming attention throughout BTS's activities and his solo schedules, especially after many of his performances and concert moments went viral internationally. His stage presence, live vocals, and warm interactions with fans have made his name incredibly strong among global audiences, especially in Mexico. When Jin previously held activities and performances connected to Mexico, the response from fans was absolutely overwhelming. Many fans describe the atmosphere as unforgettable because every time Jin appeared, the audience's energy became even louder and more emotional. His impact in Mexico became impossible to ignore. Jin's name repeatedly trended across social platforms, and local fans continued talking about how deeply his presence affected them. Media coverage surrounding him also increased significantly, with many people highlighting how Jin's popularity and influence in Mexico had grown to an extraordinary level. Some fans even said Jin helped strengthen the emotional connection between BTS and Mexican ARMY because of the way he communicates warmth and sincerity during performances. Even Mexico's Minister of Economy, Marcelo Ebrard, personally attended Jin's solo fan concert during his official government visit to Singapore for the APEC Summit. The moment quickly became a huge discussion among fans because many believed it was a direct request from the Mexican government, asking Jin to include Mexico in BTS's 2026 concert plans.
We are 130 million. Sorry, Leah. Waiting for you. Next year, yeah.
In videos shared online, Marcelo Ebrard also personally expressed how deeply Mexican people love BTS. What made fans even more emotional was the belief that Jin responded positively to that request. Because of this, many ARMYs feel that Jin has truly become a major bridge connecting BTS and Mexico. It is no surprise that many people now see Jin as one of the biggest reasons why BTS's relationship with Mexico feels especially close and meaningful today. Everything happening today further proves that Mexico is completely serious about welcoming BTS. From fans, government officials, to the country's president, everyone seems determined to show just how much they want BTS to return and hold concerts there again in 2026. Today, global attention once again turned toward BTS as they visited Mexico's presidential office and were welcomed by an enormous crowd that had already filled the area since early morning. Thousands of fans gathered to greet them with overwhelming excitement, creating an atmosphere that quickly became one of the biggest talking points online. Videos spreading across social media showed how security around the area had to be significantly tightened because the crowd kept growing larger and larger. The situation reportedly became so intense that security teams struggled to control the massive crowd. Fire trucks were even stationed around the area as an extra precaution to maintain safety during BTS's visit. The moment instantly went viral because it showed how BTS's arrival in Mexico already feels closer to a state-level event rather than a normal celebrity schedule. BTS members were also warmly welcomed by Mexican president, and the moment became a major topic across international media outlets. Many people viewed this as clear proof that BTS's influence in Mexico has become incredibly powerful, to the point where the government itself is directly involved. Billboard even described BTS's activities in Mexico as a state affair because of the massive public impact surrounding them.
We are 130 million. Sorry, Leah. Waiting for you.
Okay, we'll go.
Just wanting to come next
Yeah.
year.
Next year. Yeah.
Let's have fun more! Te amo, te quiero, muchas gracias.
No hablo español muy bien, pero voy a intentarlo. Nos extrañaron. Nosotros extraña. Increíble. Muchas gracias por amarnos tanto. Nos vemos la próxima vez. Adiós. México, mucho picante.
I love you, Ami. Te amo.
Hola.
Let's have fun more!
Ya les dije que tienen que regresar el próximo año.
Hola. Let's have fun tomorrow.
Ya les dije que tienen que regresar.
구독, 좋아요, 알림 설정. 야, so fun. 오케이, 바이바이.